I was down with cough and cold for last 1 week and this bowl has been my comfort. This amla loki rasam instantly feels like a warm hug. I have been making it for 3 years now and it never fails. In a cooker, add dal, loki and amlas. You can make it one pot by adding tomatoes too. But today I cooked the tomatoes separately for extra flavor. Pressure cook for few whistles. Mash or blend to a smooth soup-like consistency. Thin for rasam and thicker for soup. For tempering, quickly sizzle mustard, jeera, garlic and curry leaves in a little ghee and pour it over. I usually add moringa leaves too, but didn't get them today. Serve hot with coriander, tangy, soothing, and deeply healing. So good for the gut.